Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to use your own image as a landing page background in kvCore. As you know, you can use your own pictures as a landing page background in kvCore. However, that page or that image needs to be somewhere in World Wide Web. How do you do that? Let me show you a quick way. Let's launch kvCore and you go to Web and IDX. Okay, under that we go to blog. We are not really want to write a blog, but we're using its function. Go to Add Post. Okay, and here's an image icon. You can insert an image in here in your blog. So let's click on this button, and the source you will upload from your hard drive. Okay, you could browse for an image. Let's say I use this one. Okay, and here's the link. Okay, here's the place that the system puts your image on the World Wide Web. Okay, so you just copy that link. Let's test it. Okay, open your browser. And this is the image here. Okay, on the World Wide Web. Okay, then you go back to kvCore. You want to cancel that because you don't want to really do a blog. Okay, go to Lead Engine. Start building a landing page. Okay, and on the background, you select custom background and you paste that URL link in here. Click OK. See? The background changed to your custom image. Okay, so that's the permanent address. So you could actually put that into your Excel sheet, so you could have easy access later. Okay, hope this helped. See you next time.